Enhancing your contract is straightforward with Legaliser's intuitive editing suite. Familiar editing tools are at your disposal. Whether you're formatting text or organizing content, every tool you need is within reach. Adjust fonts, align paragraphs, or insert bullet points with ease, just as you would in any modern text editor. After making your edits, click Save to update your document. It's crucial to save your changes before proceeding. With your document saved, you can then reanalyze to ensure any modifications meet legal standards. Use the Reanalyze function to have Legaliser's AI reassess the updated content, giving you the confidence that your contract remains solid. Need a local copy of your contract? Click the download button here, and you'll have your document ready for any purpose outside Legaliser. Remember, you can always return to the dashboard to manage your documents, start a new review cycle, or draft further changes. Legaliser simplifies the contract editing process, combining powerful AI analysis with user-friendly functionality for an unmatched legal drafting experience. Legaliser, redefining legal drafting with innovation and precision.